I know my daughter Jessica is in your hands. But before this you have kidnapped an boy. But you killed him after giving the money also. But I'm going to give money now. What is the guarantee you leave my daughter?
Guarantee. If you want your daughter Jessica back, you play by my rules, George. You don't have a choice. See, darling, it's very simple. Don't look for help with police and CBI. If you shut up and do as I say, I'm going to let your daughter go. Now, turn right and start walking.
Move. Anjali here. Rachel, come in.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you track the call details? You got a location?
No, ma'am. He's making an internet call. He's using toy to manipulate his location and IP address, ma'am. It refreshes and shows up as if he's in different country every second.
Smart. Okay, guys, listen up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Maybe it's just one guy doing everything. Or it might be a network too.
Just keep watching.
Follow the guy who comes and picks up the cash from him. Keep me updated and wait for my orders.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep walking. Keep walking.
Easier.
Anwar sir.
He is right here and watching everything.
On what basis you are telling Anjali?
When the ambulance passed the charge, I just heard the double sound.
And I think he's
Also using the voice changer.
There is distraction.
And pitch variation in the voice. Don't leave anyone who are on the phone here. Photograph everyone. Boys, girls, men, women, everybody.
Keep walking. Keep walking.
Walk. Keep walking. Stop. Do you see a white van on your left? Far off. Leave the suitcase inside the George.
Can anyone view on the left side?
What van is that? And how long it's been parked there?
Still checking. We don't have a clear view, ma'am.
Officers, I want someone to check on that immediately. Keep walking.
Keep walking. Check that camera. Okay, sir. No, not yet.
Keep walking.
Shit. Oh. CBI. I really got whiff of this at first. How did they manage to come here?
Here, George. I'm sure you wouldn't have asked them to come because you want your daughter back.
Moreover, you want her alive. Then who must have informed them? This is not my fault. I've already informed CBI not to interfere in this matter. But I don't know how they came here now.
I want my daughter back.
Please don't do anything to her. You raised her with so much love. She grew up to be a young woman. I have kidnapped a sexy, slutty girl. As a father, what must be going on in your mind? They won't know it, but I know it very well. Poor thing. Please understand the sentiments of Mr. George, Mrs. Anjali Vikramadityan, SP CBI. How are you? Anyways, let's get back to business, George.
They are here for nothing, but just to witness the fun.
Okay, let's put up a good show. Ask the people inside the van to get
Get down.
put that suitcase
Inside.
Do you drive?
He is up.
Anjali, let's surround him in terrace.
Wait.
Okay, George. Do you see Balis at the building opposite to you? Yeah, I can see that.
4 floors by lift and 1 floor by stairs.
I am on the terrace. Come.
On terrace of all the surrounding buildings, all officers and photographers take positions. I want to know who is.
Anjali, you're doing a mistake. We have weapons. Straight away, let's go to the terrace and lock him.
What is the point? We still don't know whether he is alone or with the team. What if we escape the Jessica elsewhere? We have to rescue the girl alive. That's our main objective. Just do what I say.
Yes, ma'am. Kailash. Take positions. Madam!
Nobody is at the desk, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No one inside.
Now stop. Can you please throw that suitcase down?
What? Oh, damn it.
Oh shit. Photographers, stay right there. I want pictures of everyone who are in the basement. All eyes on the suitcase. Officers, rush to the basement immediately.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, madam. That side.
Yes, sir.
Anjali, he didn't come to pick the suitcase. He's planning something else.
Ma'am, there's an exit here.
Jessica! Jessica! Oh no, Jessica! Jessica!
I've already seen the autopsy reports. Bleed to death. He have given anti-fogging injection to keep the blood as it is. Without fogging, he drained all the blood.
Before leaving, he has jammed every CC camera here. How is it even possible? No fingerprints, no DNA traces. She's not even been raped. Even his finger has not touched her. That is not his motive. He was enjoying looking at their live moments. Must be some sort of a psycho.